Imagine a simple experiment. You fire tiny particles, one by one, at a barrier with two slits. No big machines, no cosmic mysteries, just slits, a screen, and a few electrons. And yet, what happens on that screen will challenge the very foundation of reality. Welcome to the Double Slit Experiment, where physics meets the impossible. In the early 1800s, Thomas Young set up a simple experiment. He shone light through two narrow slits and observed the pattern it made on a screen behind them. If light were made of particles, we would expect to see two bright spots, but instead, a pattern of bright and dark fringes appeared, an interference pattern, a signature of waves. Scientists pushed the experiment further. What happens if we send one particle at a time? Amazingly, even single photons or electrons created interference patterns, as if each particle passed through both slits and interfered with itself. But how could that be? Then they tried to observe which slit the particle went through. And just like that, the interference vanished. The particle now behaved like a particle again. The act of observing changed the outcome. Why does observing a quantum system collapse its possibilities into one outcome? Is it the measuring device, or is it our consciousness? The double slit experiment seems to suggest that particles don't make decisions until we look, a very uncomfortable idea for classical physics. Some interpretations even go further. They propose that the universe splits into multiple realities for each possibility. The many worlds interpretation. Does the universe need a conscious observer to exist? This question echoes ancient spiritual beliefs, from Hindu Brahman to the Christian Logos. Some even suggest that consciousness might be fundamental, not a product of matter, but the source of it. Could this experiment be a glimpse into the mind of the universe? Is the observer, you, an active participant in reality's unfolding? Science hasn't answered these yet, but the double slit experiment forces us to ask, are we just watching the universe, or is the universe watching us back?